Good morning, Thomas. This is Chance over at Auto Fair Honda in Manchester, New Hampshire. This is the 2026 Honda Pilot EXL that you had inquired about in the nice platinum white pearl. Obviously brand new, so we got some stickers here from the factory and some plastic on the seats, but they did very well with these seats. I like these sort of like white, almost like gray sort of seats that they have in these ones. And then the upgraded infotainment screen that we have for this generation of Pilots. Initialized probably needs an update and everything because she's brand new. 5 miles on her, obviously, but these are super well equipped with all the latest Honda tech. You got the adaptive cruise control, active like lane assist, and collision warning and everything. Open the hatch ahead of time for you. Everything's sort of well displayed here, so you know what's going on. Brake lights, if you have your high beams on and stuff. Oh, this is the wipers. If you have high beams on and stuff. Super easy, super simple display here with all your controls. It's a nice balance between the active touch screen and actual analog controls. You got a volume knob. I know some of them have a touch screen volume. Up front for the passenger and driver, you do have the heated seats with a high, medium, low. Does have wireless charger here, which complements the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is very cool, nice and convenient. Bunch of stuff you can customize on this screen. So whether you're Apple or Android, you can sort of like customize these, create little like shortcuts and stuff, move the tiles around to however it works best for you. These have Google Maps and Google built in. A bunch of stuff that you can do with that. Alexa as well. Nice little bunch of storage here. A bunch of power connectors. USB-C's become the new D-Volt, but you still have the old 12-volt as well. Handful of drive modes here, which we appreciate on these. Econ for more fuel savings, Sport for more get up and go, and then miscellaneous for whatever you may be doing with the vehicle. I think to show off the back seats a little bit for you. Oh, unlock, please. Man, everything's covered in plastic. Sorry about that. This middle seat, let me see if I can drop this here. Expose some nice little storage tray and some cup holders. There's some more climate controls back here and a couple more USB-Cs. This middle seat is actually removable as well. It just sort of unlatches here and just pops right out. It's not super heavy, a little bit bulky, but pretty easy to move. And it's designed to fit perfectly down in here. And some nice little storage dividers as well. But you can actually take these out, and this sort of platform cover here can just drop down so you got more cargo depth. You can also reverse it so you can have the hard shell here on the top as well. Lots of different ways that you can customize this to fit your needs. Super easy to drop the third row of seating as well. Everything is just nice and flat and level. So you just pull the straps and drop it, pull it right back up. Of course, there's little anchor points for car seats and cargo all over the place. And then on the back of the second row seating and on the button here, got a little spring-loaded release to have access to the third row. But you can also, let me unbuckle here, you can also just, if the seat wasn't in the way, power seats for the driver and the passenger. We love it. But there you go. Again, nice and flat. I'll show you what that looks like with all 2 rows dropped down. It is nice and level. There's no huge humps or anything, so you got plenty of space if you're hauling anything. A lot of people think about like plywood. I've had a couple people who are mortgage consultants and whatnot, or what's the term? Like real estate agents. So they have like signs and stuff in the back. So many cup holders. I think there's probably like 12 cup holders in this vehicle. Yeah, and then got the second row has the nice little sunshades, privacy screen type thing going on. Obviously, this vehicle has the remote start on the key. Everything's super easy. You control the remote start, the remote hatch. You can program the height of this tailgate, which is pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot going on with these. I could make this into a much longer video, but for the sake of brevity, is that the right word? I'm not sure. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around with it. So this one is currently available. The Pilots are crunching up on the supply a little bit, but we're a volume store. We got a lot of them, but also we have a lot of salespeople here looking to sell these things. So my goal is to make this the easiest experience that you've had at a dealership. And I'll be reaching out to you shortly just to ensure that you receive this, answer some questions that you may have, and then coordinate from there. Thank you so much for your consideration. Have a wonderful day.